Alright, Chris, today on the In Vegas Style blog, Christiva learns how to ride her bike. Come on, babe, do it. I know, I saw you. Just show the world. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, Chris. Baby girl's first pedals. That's what we're going to call it, just because you wanted it that way. Yeah! You're doing it. Yeah, Chris, good job. Oh, off the street. Yeah. That's right. This is the In Vegas spot. In Vegas style. Baby girl, good job. That's right.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, peeps.
And I thought I wasn't gonna do it.
You see? I told you, just keep it going. Show that one more time, Michael, for the blog. Come on, do it. Do it coming this way. Come on, for the blog. In Vegas style blog. Yeah. Woo! Hope you guys had a great New Year, 2013. Watch out. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. The In Vegas Style Deplete-tastic. And of course, this channel, the In Vegas Style Daily Vlog. Or Daily Vlog. Yeah! Later.